Hold on, let me add more water. It's cooling down. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, water's done. Are you gonna follow me home?
I don't know.
It'd be nice. Got some backup.
Before you did. Is it cool, huh? Muscle now? With my chest. My chest. You're fat. No, I'm not. You literally see what's happening. Airplane about to take off? Like, look. Like fucking loose skin. I can't see, you're fucking bending down, dude. Yeah, I know. Nobody wants to feel your fucking stomach, bro. Yeah, but I got loose skin. Huh? I got loose skin. It's starting to tighten up though. Challenge. Is your loose skin start to tighten up? Just gonna fill it in, bro. I'm trying to think his best thing to do. What? His best thing to do. How far was it on the wreck? How long were you driving?
Almost all the way. Almost all the way.
As soon as it started climbing, when did it go into the red?
Wait, during the drift or?
No, I mean like right now.
Oh, well, like fucking right in the beginning when we started going.
It
It
just
went
went.
into the half, you know, really quick, and then just stayed on that level by the red the whole time. Started doing that weird ass sound, you know. Almost died too.
How much do you make a week?
300.